Welcome to the weekly paper research by Nicolas Behbahani. Happy Sunday, everyone. This week we look at the global data from Korn Ferry, Gallup, ATD, and it exposes a massive paradox in how we design our organization. We are spending millions to upskill our workforce, but our organizational charts are actively preventing them from doing their jobs. Let's break down the 6 metrics you missed this week. First, we look at the title-less leadership ROI. ATD research showed us that the smartest companies are democratizing leadership training down to individual contributors, resulting in a 79% boost in culture. We pair this with the capability deployment gap and the AI onboarding ratio, proving that you give frontline workers AI and leadership skills, they raise productivity faster than ever before. We are building super employees. But here where the paradox hits, Korn Ferry warns us about the executive age gap. The C-suite is getting older, staying longer, and hoarding authority. They are terrified to give up control. So what happens when you give highly trained frontline workers who are trapped beneath executives that won't let them make decisions? You get the daily enjoyment gap. Gallup's new data revealed that having a miserable, micromanaged daily workflow is statistically worse for your life well-being than having a serious health condition. Which brings us to the ultimate metric of the week, the frontline autonomy rate. If you train them to lead, you have to stop making them ask for permission. The organization that survive the next decade won't be the ones with the best mission statements. They will be the ones that decentralize decision-making and unblock their talent. That's your recap of the week. Which metric shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you next Monday for a brand new data drop. For your daily dose of learning in people analytics, make sure to like and follow my YouTube and LinkedIn page at Nicolas Behbahani.